What's up, you pricks? Today's edition of Sexy Lady, here we have is a 42-inch, I think is, Casablanca Lady Delta. That's right, bitch, yes. I do have a Lady Delta now. Got for Christmas. Yeah. My mom got off eBay for like $180, so it's like 200 and some odd go shipping. I'm gonna say the brass is fucking excellent. The blades are yellow. And it's the first inning they were bent. I like one's all pitch and one's too bent down. But on tobacco, I'm like perfect. I'm shocked. Follows in fucking great shape. Look at that. Follows, so looks like it get fucking killed off. The blade just got yellow and got now bent from that thing on the blade in the picture. Andrew, bracket got bent from my boxing. I want to install that in the mind, but this was cut short, chain on the Y, and then this I'm looking at the hair size, put one whole thing on here. It looks much better that way. White's all scuffed up. This might be able to come out, but no, I only try. Guitar's so easy too. It's not really dirty. It's a close up though. Of that lady's tag. Yeah, I think that comes off though. My mom said she scratched on it. It came way off. I don't know. She said that's more white and that's more yellow. Some bits of tape all labeled. I didn't put them on the order. It said the tape was on pitch instrument. That doesn't matter because I bent the blades back. I had some all on it. Yeah. See, you can tell it's got that clip up there because the ball hang higher. I don't want to risk it falling, so I did use the clip. And this one's a bitch to install. Because the faggot who took it down cut the wires so short and only had that much sticking out of it. So my friend really had to hold it while I wired it. Because of that. And the way my pancake box is, the head just be loose. But I'm telling you now, it's not going to fall. She goes shut the fuck up. Because it goes really long. And then the screws go. And the bracket's still about that high, so this motherfucker ain't gonna know it. Well, fuck you too. Hitting him like that. The fuck? Yeah, sorry guys. Now let me put you hoes on Terry. Fuck stopping the fucking camera. We'll see about scented once I turn on. But it was stuff, wow. This thing flies. I'm up 36 and worth the OCA to put my room on everyone. Because by OCA, this one will fit by my bed, but there won't be much space from the wall. It could well, but won't put my chair because, you know, it'll be trapped. Ben's will step with the figure now. Unless it was real slow on this. So it must be came out with the medium style. This one they made the medium hunter medium style. It looks like a different color than the more brass. This brass does look like they don't see any major one. Right? Oh, it's longer here. It's got a good low speed to it. I like it. My system is not great. It's like way easy to make out place, which I don't want to do because I finally got to I can turn on high habit twist. And this motherfucker has so much torque to it, it will try to twist if I don't have him right. And then I had him right, and then it got out of place, so I was trying to fuck with it. Now I got back into place, so yeah. Well, in the comments, please me. In the comments below, let me know. Do you like in 4K like I have it, 60 frames per second, or do you like in 30? I didn't know you could do this on my other phone. I was too stupid to figure it out. Yeah, I figured it out. And, yeah, but you can. On this one, looks really good, but it makes the speed look a little slower than person. But the 3-second frame, what we call it, doesn't look as good on regular phone to me. But it's what I'm saying. Just warn me, because I don't know what I'm talking about. This fucking point. Sorry, I'm bored of storming my kid's house. So I want on right now. Sick of target areas. So I'm always by the kid's house. Which is good, I don't know, 8 feet, 6 feet away. And it's on me and Mike. Feel that bitch. Well, go on. Please don't twist. I just won't wobble to it. When it's on high reverse, it sounds like it's trying to wobble. It sounds like sound driven. Well, no, it shakes my flange in the water. It's moving so much shit on. Undo it. You could please. It's where it's on spots you don't pick it both much. But it spreads out so much you can't even tell. Undo it, you really good please. It spreads it really well. Good for bedroom, like a kitchen room. Even when it's not master bedroom. Might be too good for office because you don't want the papers to go away. You got a hatch ain't there correctly. It's first I can get up there and it's just testing purposes anyway, so I don't want to play with it too much. You only tell in something English. So this thing all I can tell. It's right there. I'm telling you, fuckers powerful. Spin down, which I don't think it'll take too long, honestly. Yeah, it's definitely better sitting on it was when I got it. The boards all lack, but I don't perfect. Orange parts usually follow fans. It's hard for them to get the brackets in perfect alignment because they're tough. And the fiber's not. I don't want to break the fucking fiber. So, you know, it just makes it difficult. These brackets are a little bit cheap on this. I got perfect alignment. I would install it somewhere if I could in a bridge or young, but I was getting a bridge for if I found them for cheap. But yeah, $200 a lot for one of these, but it's off eBay. This is not too common on my end, apparently. I'm never finding Casablanca so cheap on here. The only place that I sometimes forget some stat top, but mine could take them. So I have to go to the other hat top, so I don't go too much, go toward the way. Maybe their fans are $25 and the brand new ones are $50. Kind of stupid. Last time for that, last year, yeah, this year, $25 to $50 fans. The year for that was, regular hat top pricing where they price somewhere how a fan works. I meant to turn the chain off, but I meant to brush and turn the, what? So I'm not fucking patient at all, so let's speed up. It's just a bit seamless. It's well. Once you get to how you see torque this motherfucker has. I'll try to show you the screen problem. It's me. Just with my friends around my cousin. I'll put too much in the door because it's like all above my head. So it's saying here's a little higher than some here do. I could put this one spun alive, but it just looked weird. See that big torque? It makes it hang cookie too. I don't know how. That looks so cooking from here to funny. That's my picture from dressing. On the head of that bang is some fucking pictures. I'm going to think of a follow, but I really want to show you torque. We got your way. See? Oh, I ain't have all the way. See? Sometimes you do that. What colors you just get out of place? See? You can hit go into place and does. Sometimes doesn't go in place how it should. Watch. Yeah, see, it's got too much torque. Sorry, guys. See, I'm trying to see if I'm having a problem again. I like it better this way. Sometimes there you go. Sometimes he's got what's up on it. I gotta figure off camera because I'm not immune to figure on camera. Alright, okay, well, sounds good. And peace out, pussies.